Hello guys, we have a question here that says current sensitivity of a moving coil galvanometer is 5. Okay, and its voltage sensitivity, that is angular deflection per unit voltage applied, is 20. Okay, so the formula used in it is current sensitivity of galvanometer is IS equals to NBA by C. Okay, voltage sensitivity of a galvanometer is Vs is equals to NBA by CR. Okay, so where N is the number of turns in the coil of galvanometer, V is the magnetic field around the coil, A is the area of coil, and C is the restoring torque per unit twist, and R is the resistance of the turn. Now, first we can find the current sensitivity of the galvanometer. The current sensitivity we have written here. Okay, so like now we will look for a relation between the voltage sensitivity and current sensitivity of the galvanometer by combining equation 1 and 2. It will give us Vs equals to NBA by CR equals to 20. So the resistance of the galvanometer is Vs equals to Is by R. Vs equals to Is by R. We put the value of Vs here and we get 20 equals to 5 by 10 by minus 3, 10 to the power minus 3 divided by R, and we get R equals to 250. Okay, so the answer is